What's up, everybody? It's your girl Arie. Welcome back to another late nights with Arie. So guys, guess what I got? Ooh, so Shein finally sent me over another package, guys. It's been so long since I've been able to do a Shein haul, guys. Make sure you check the link down in the comments down below and shop my Shein link as soon as you guys are done watching this video, guys, so that you can get you some of these cute little looks that they got, or search some other looks and create your own style, guys. But yeah, let me throw that over because technically I don't need that right this second, you guys. But yeah, so I'm back. Y'all probably didn't even think I was going to make like a video this soon, but your girl had to go ahead and get into it. You know what I'm saying? I originally was going to do like a lingerie upload, but I got these cute little summer outfits, guys, and I'm just super excited. They're the little nice little fitted dresses and they're see-through. Guys, I cannot wait to try these dresses on and see how they look. I do know they all in the size medium because sometimes I be forgetting to let you guys know the details, but yeah, I'm so excited to be back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I do need you guys to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, leave some comments down below. Oh, and y'all gotta make sure that y'all check out the description box and check out like other links and stuff to other platforms and support your girl everywhere you can, okay? And you can shop my Amazon storefront too. There's a little bit of stuff on there. It's not a lot of stuff on there just yet, but like all of my sponsorship items are already up there. So guys, go and shop and help your girl out, because you know, if I make sales, they gonna keep coming back. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Let me show y'all what we got before we put it on, because I usually don't do that. So let's do that. Okay, I got on my robe. I'm looking wonderful. So I'm trying to like, let me use a little clippy clip. I don't know where my string is for my robe, y'all. And I don't want y'all seeing too much. But this is the package from Shein, guys. And let's see what we get, because your girl's so excited. Everything in here is so colorful too. Goodness. Open up. I already know what's in here. Okay, like I already know what's in here. I get to pick out items. Okay, so I'm just throwing that out here. I know what's in here, and when it came, I opened up the box and then I put everything in one bag. So I don't know, I'll be feeling like I'll be lying sometimes. Like I'll be like, oh, let's open it up and get my raw reaction. Y'all, this is not a raw reaction, but I love every single thing that I got in here. So this is a dress. So cute. Okay. For one, I've been wanting some really cute, look at that. And it's see-through. It's like a little turtleneck. Boo. Yes, it's the colors for me. It's the colors for me. Imagine how I can do my eyeshadow. But look at the sleeves on here. It got some like really nice sleeves, guys. This is beach attire, okay? You going to the beach, you need to go on and get you some of this. And it is so freaking adorable. I just really hope it looks good on me. Sometimes I be feeling like, oh my God. Oh, whew, thank God this camera ain't in you know, I don't got the full room lens where I can see everything. Because baby, this popped open. I guess it's just not gonna stay. But that's one of the dresses. Here's another one. This one is just all black. Look at that. Okay, look at that, girl. And it says, honey. This is so cute too, guys. I can't wait. And the material on these are really nice. I think these dresses, they are very affordable, guys. Y'all already know, like, Shein is super affordable in general. Like, oh, and look at this. This one is not super see-through, but the cotton, and it does have that turtleneck as well. This one is also long sleeve. The sleeves are designed the same, but the material is different. So you guys can see. This is one. And then I got one more to show you guys. And I really love this one. Let me open it. I love when they send me clothes. I love it. Hold on, this is upside down, y'all. Y'all gonna like this one. Y'all gonna like this one. Okay, this one's see-through as well. So I'm gonna have to put on like, I'm gonna put some pasties on, and I'm probably put on some black panties, like some black thongs. Not when, you know, too much is not exposed. But yeah, guys, look at this. So they all have sleeves on them. The reason why I like this one in particular is because it has these little strings that falls on the front of the dress. And it gives it like a nice design and nice shape. Y'all, okay. We can ready to try these outfits on. But look, literally, I just want to go ahead and say this right now before we get into further on into the video, guys. I just want to thank everybody so freaking much because I've come so far on this channel and I'm able to really just be myself and do the things that I love, like the lingerie hauls, the try on hauls, the cooking videos, the lives. I'm just able to just be myself on this channel. I love the fact that a lot of you guys are supporting me on other platforms. I see a lot of you guys on my private links, guys. So hey, hey, hey. So I just want to say thank you so much because everything that you guys are doing really helps me and helps my life continue to grow. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this clothing haul. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do it in my room. I need to clean my room a little bit and organize a little bit. I just did my makeup and I did a makeup video, which you can check out that video at Arie Moore's makeup room. But we're gonna do it in here, y'all. And if y'all got something to say about my room being a mess, okay. All right, y'all, this dress is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the hands. Like, it's giving me very much try me, you wanna try me. I don't know, I'm making up words. Look at that. Okay, let me scoot back. Okay, y'all, let me fix the lighting. So y'all can see. Y'all gotta be able to see me when I step back. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Come on, like, look at this. Oh my God. So the fact that it's off of Shein, the material is just like so, like it's thick. It's not thin, it's thick, and it feels freaking amazing on my skin. I'm pumped. Because like, y'all, I'm working on myself. I'm working on my body. I'm working on my confidence. I'm working on just me. And most of the times I don't wear like dresses like this because I just feel like it shows too much of my fupa and I just don't really be having the confidence to wear it. But this is gorgeous. Look at this, the little extra leg. I feel like the material is thick enough for me to feel confident in it for a full day. But this is y'all don't even know. Y'all, in 4 months, I will be making the biggest announcement on this channel. And y'all, this outfit here, these dresses, fits the direction that we're going in. Like, yeah, hey. Nah, but on a real note, y'all know I haven't done a try on haul in so long, so ooh, that booty look. Ooh, is it twerk approved? And it is. Y'all, okay, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about dress number 1? I like it. It's just so much fun. This dress is like so uplifting. It's giving me so much energy. It's giving me, this is like a butterfly. Y'all, I was trying to put my finger on what this reminded me of, like the patterns. It's a freaking butterfly. Wow. Bloom, baby. Yes. Okay, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try on dress number 2. Okay, guys, this is dress number 2, and it is giving me so much sexiness. Oh my God. Black is my all-time favorite color. Black and purple are my favorite colors, hands down. Black is number 1. And the fact that this dress has this small slit here, it's like it's showing just the right amount. This dress, oh my God, y'all, you don't understand. When a woman says she's ready to get her confidence back, you better listen. When she says she's about to get her confidence back, you better listen. Because like, people will tear you down. People will try to destroy you. And this dress says, baby girl. Look at this though. This dress is giving hell yeah. Let me on Shein. The material, baby, material girl. I'm just nah. Y'all don't be knowing the words to nobody's song. Y'all know that material girl. Woo! This is. Hey, we hyped up today. Y'all saying we hyped up today, cause take me out to dinner. Take me out to dinner. Take me out to dinner. Tell me this ain't sexy. Tell me this dress ain't sexy. Tell me this dress does not compliment the Arie more. Tell me you don't. I'll wait. No, this dress is giving me, if you take me out on our first date, I might wear something like this if we're going to like the movies, Top Golf, something like that. You know, this is giving me she's back. She's back. Okay? Thank you, Shein! Yes! Thank you! Thank you! Okay, guys. Obviously, I love everything about this dress. I cannot wait to wear it. Like, oh my God. Okay, y'all. Y'all, I'm just really happy to be back, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm really excited to be back making these videos for you guys. I'm out of breath. The excitement. It's the excitement for me. Y'all, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about dress number 2? I need y'all leaving comments. Let me know, rate dress number 2, guys. I love it. I love both of them. So I'm gonna give them both so far a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love these dresses so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on another piece for you guys. We'll be back. So guys, I got on the next outfit and it has the same little sleeves, which is really, really cute. This one is see-through, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that I could not find my black thongs, like my black panties. So I have on cream, so you're probably going to see that through this dress. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But I just thought I'd just go ahead and just throw that out there just in case. But, so this one is more see-through than the other one. The other one was not see-through at all. So the two dresses, like the first dress and the third dress, look very similar. But they both have the same slit. They both have the same design. The difference of the two is one is see-through and one is not. So the first one was like cotton, silk a little bit, and this one just like completely see-through. So, yeah. I love what it's giving. It's super cute, you know. I just love it. The material is a lot thinner than the other dress. So like when I was putting it on, I was kind of concerned a little bit. I was like, okay, so is it going to rip when I put it over my big head? And if it's going to rip going over my head, it's definitely going to rip on the rest of my body. But it didn't. It did what it needed to do. And I like it. I like it. I like it. Look at that. If it gives the booty some pop, your girl gonna like it. I'm just gonna be honest, like I just absolutely love the sleeves. Look, it's just like rising when I walk. This is definitely gonna have to be like a beach dress for me, just because like where I live at, there's no purpose of wearing anything like this. But unless I'm doing like a photo shoot or something, I'd be like, yeah, I'll be killing my photo shoots. That's the pose right there. Pose, 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 pose. Okay, guys. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this one. This one, like I said, is very similar. I absolutely love these dresses, but since it looks like the first dress, it's not really a point in me wearing it too much longer, unfortunately. So let me know what you guys think. 1, 2, or 3, although 3 looks the same as 1. Still let me know down in the comments, guys. And we are going to go and put on our last dress, which is the one that I'm most excited to wear. So let's go. Okay, guys, so this is the last dress, and deep down, I literally knew I was gonna love this dress. All these little strings, like I just love the idea of it. And I need to find me some shorts that has the same design because, yeah. But I love it. The strings, it might get a little bit annoying. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, it makes me wonder, like, should I tie it? And then, let's see. Hold on. See the tank, hold on. The strings is like everywhere, y'all. It's not, oh, I pulled it. I pulled one of the strings out from the other side. Hold on. See, yeah, this is gonna be a problem. This is gonna be a problem. Oh, this goes here. Okay, boom. Whew, Jesus. Yeah, these strings is definitely gonna be a problem, but the dress is super cute. Let me move closer just in case you guys cannot see. It looks so beautiful on my skin. I feel like everything looks good on your girl's skin because your girl was just that girl. When you that girl, everything look good. You don't gotta try too hard. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, and it's definitely giving booty. All of these dresses are in a size medium, medium. They all fit good. I like it though. This is fun. This dress is fun. It's see-through. The material is also a little bit thin, but it's stretchy. So that's good. And it fits, let me look in the mirror. It fits really good. It fits really good on my body. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. I just want to figure out, can I do something different to these strings? Like tie them. I think the day that I actually wear this outfit, I'm going to try to do something different with the strings because it's cute, but I feel like for me, it's going to be in my way. No. I want this so bad. The strings is already irritating me in the try on. But we ain't gonna give it back. We gonna keep it. We gonna keep it. But yeah, let me know guys what you think about this last dress. I absolutely love it. The strings may be a problem for me, but however, I just want to say that I really appreciate when I get outfits from Shein because it kind of humbles me a little bit because sometimes we feel like we need to spend a lot of money to get something very cute, and Shein has proven itself time and time again that is not the case. You just, you know, spend a little bit and still look like you spent a lot, and with accessories and the right shoes and just the makeup and just how you dress yourself with the cheap clothes literally makes a difference. And like, it looks bomb on me just like this. So imagine when I pull it, you know, put everything all together. You understand? But yeah guys, yeah, that's it. This is the last outfit. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope my energy was transferable to you guys so that you can have an amazing day after watching this video guys. We will be uploading another video very soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure your notifications are on so when I upload you do not miss out. Y'all won't be missing my uploads moving forward because your girl is ready to be on it. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to check out the description box down below. Shop my Shein link, shop my Amazon storefront link, and follow me on other platforms and subscribe to my other YouTube channels and stuff like that, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.